Hello, my name is Neil and I'm here today with Hazard, Steffi and Fuang, and together we are Beta 1 Consultancy. We're here to tell you why we should be the project leaders of the PRS implementation project for the National Children's Hospital. For a starting point for the project implementation, we've conducted a feasibility investigation. The description of the project is a non-paper based PRS system between the two National Children's Hospitals in Sligo and Dublin, where all information will be able to be accessed online and immediately from both areas. The product we've planned to use is the MediTouch cloud-based software, which will be able to be accessed from tablets, phones, computers and designated hospital devices. The technology means that you can record all the data that patients have required over the hospital and update it onto the system that could be accessed anywhere without the need for bulky paperwork. These are just two examples of different types of software that can be used to analyze all this data. In order to deal with the strike actions that have been posed by union workers because of the new implementation of the system, we've decided to implement temporary PRS officers for the role of the ongoing training during the period up until the 1st of July, when the IT developers or IT staff will be able to deal with the position. We've outlined a time frame for the project starting on the 7th of April and ending 1st of July when the project is handed over. As you can see, we've implemented design and development, training weeks, the implementation into all hospital areas, the go live date, refresher courses, and project review and feedback. The financial project is planning to cost about €5 million estimated at the moment, including preparation costs, setup costs, testing costs, maintenance costs, transition costs, training costs, and contingency fund. While after the first year, additional maintenance costs will have to be acquired. Our basis for the $5 million estimate is based on two different reports of projects costing in between 5 and 10 million for a project of this size. In this project, there's two main risks. One of them is the staffing issue of strikers and the unions, and the other one is the IT software basis. We need to make sure that the IT software is up to date and efficient for the purpose of this entry, in order to have zero downtime.
For the design and development stage of the project, we already decided to outsource the software system cloud-based to MediTouch. For the software features, it has to have all of the features listed on the screen. For the stage gate criteria for the design and development process, it needs all of the criteria such as high efficiency, has to be continually assessed, rapid restore capacity, intuitive interaction, simple and flat interface, user-friendly, and most importantly, complete security of the network with zero downtime, and maintenance can be done while the system still operates. For communication and stakeholder management, we plan to set up a consulting session with heads of two hospitals from the 28th of April. And before bringing the system in place, we will organize 3 forums to accommodate different working schedules, to have dialogues between the unions and the PM team to incorporate different opinions from the unions. We plan to set up a fortnightly newsletter about the system and its benefits to all staff of hospital, with accessible feedback form at the end of every email beginning of 28th April. For risk mitigation of backup, disaster recovery and fault tolerance, we plan to build a data center, a backup center with virtual hard drive, and we already use the cloud storage system, and also set up a system of UPS in the entire, with all the computers. For a test run, we will organize a run to obtain feedback from users so that the system can be improved. The milestones of the project is the first beta version to gather feedback to be ready by mid-July 2014, and ongoing gathering of feedback until the second beta version is launched on mid-August 2014, and the final version is expected to be launched on 1st of September 2014. For the implementation process, we start the process from the 31st of October 2014 in all hospital areas, with the plan to organize induction program for full application of the PRS system to senior staff, and our plan is to hire 10 temporary staff to transfer paper-based data to electronic format from the 17th of October to 14th of November 2014.
Collaborating with experienced specialists from MediTouch, we offer 2 different training weeks. The first one is from 17th of November to 21st of November, and the second training week is from 8th to 13th of December. We will ensure all the training will be finished before Christmas holidays. And to guarantee that the system can be officially launched at the 1st of January 2015. Medical Touch is responsible to provide free training and free technical support during the whole training process as part of its package. And also, based on the user response, we desire to refresh training days and employee feedbacks after 2 months after we launch the system officially. And we will also conduct a project review and feedback before the 1st of July, so we can conduct a handover to Health Survey IT operations to finish this project.